Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip to check out an old favorite, the Mirage Hotel Casino. The Mirage has 3,044 rooms and is a Polynesian-themed casino resort that was built by developer Steve Wynn and is now owned and operated by MGM Resorts International. The Mirage was built on a portion of the site formerly occupied by the Castaways, which closed in 1987 to make room for the new resort. The Mirage was proposed with an initial cost of $565 million. The resort was the first resort to be built with money from Wall Street through the use of junk bonds, and the project went over budget and was the most expensive hotel and casino in history with a construction cost of $630 million. By the way, the hotel's distinctive gold windows get their color from actual gold dust used in the tinting process. The Mirage's construction is considered noteworthy in that Wynn had set a new standard for Vegas resorts and is widely considered to be the father of today's Las Vegas. Let's head inside. And as soon as you walk in through the entrance we came through, you have Diablo's Cantina here on the left, which unleashes its unique brand of south-of-the-border dining, drinking, and a little decadence at the Mirage. Open daily for lunch and dinner, Diablo's features a wide variety of mouth-watering specialties, including freshly made salsas and guacamoles, along with entrees like the grilled shrimp burrito and the Vixen chicken. The bar we saw outside is called Rum Bar, that's RHUMBAR. You can mix and mingle at Rum Bar with a specialty cocktail in one hand, a cigar in the other, and a stunning view of the Strip before you. Sample a frozen daiquiri, a refreshing Rum Bar mojito, a Latin Manhattan, or choose from dozens of top-shelf rum as live DJs spin on this Caribbean-style patio. A little bit more history on this Mirage project, including how it got its name. The project's working name was the Bombay Club. Wynn initially considered naming the resort the Golden Nugget after his Golden Nugget Hotel and Casino in downtown Las Vegas. However, Wynn and others involved with the new resort knew that it would need a different name, otherwise they believed the two properties would become known as the Old One and the New One. There's a California pizza kitchen here. I've never eaten in this one. I have eaten at the one at McCarran Airport up the road a bit. And I forgot what kind of pie I had. I know I had some goat cheese and some artichoke hearts. It was really a different type of pie, and I really enjoyed it. Here's a sports book at the Mirage, and speaking of McCarran Airport, they're going to most likely change the name of that place because apparently old man McCarran had some skeletons in his closet. But then again, don't we all? Anyway, where was I? Boy, I'm all over the place with the commentary on this one. Oh yeah. Wynn chose the Mirage because of the resort's South Pacific theme. In 1988, to avoid confusion, Wynn purchased the rights to the Mirage name from two other businesses in Las Vegas, the La Mirage Casino and the Mirage Motel. Both businesses received $250,000 to change their names. Wynn also spent $250,000 on a VW bus from the 60s, but that's a whole nother story. End of history class. Here's the front desk. When I checked in, when I stayed here at the Mirage, it was for about a week, and they comped me, but they didn't comp me for the whole week, obviously. I tried the $20 sandwich here, and once again it worked. It got me a higher room with a strip view, a early check-in, and a later check-out. So that $20 sandwich really earns its money, especially if you're here for a week. One of the Cirque du Soleil shows that I just had to see was Love, and I did see it last time I was here in Vegas when Cirque was still doing their shows. I was comped the tickets. I would have paid anything for those tickets because I'm a huge Beatle fan, but it was a great show, and I hope this show comes back eventually. Okay, who wants to hear the New York Channel theme song in its entirety? Here we go. Here we have Cravings Buffet, and I'm really not a buffet person, but I will say that Cravings here at the Mirage was consistently voted the top of the worst buffets on the Strip. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. You didn't think I forgot about Mitzi, did you? And speaking of hidden mascots, congratulations and a shout out to Entity Testosterone. That's right, I said Entity Testosterone, who found Clarice the Miss America crown in the Ocean Room Tour video last week. Coming up here is Tom Colicchio's Heritage Steak, which adds a modern twist to traditional culinary staples. Tantalize the senses with an aromatic open kitchen, adding unmatched appeal to both sight and smell. The aroma of an open wood-burning grill brings the excitement of the kitchen to your table. See and feel the flame while chefs handcraft specialties right before your eyes. Okay, first of all these restaurant websites all use the word modern twist, and this one in particular mentions that you should feel the flame, and I recommend you don't do that. This is Otoro, the sizzle and aroma of a robotic grill, the freshest sushi and specialty rolls, an impressive menu of sharing-style cuisine. This will be an unforgettable culinary adventure. I don't know if I want to go. Nothing about a modern twist. Also, what's a robotic grill? Does anyone know? Leave a comment below. This is The Stack. American contemporary dining in a sleek hardwood setting is what sets the Stack apart from the rest. Perfect for a quick bite before the night out on the town, or a full meal to be shared amongst family and friends. You will find only top quality fish, meat, and poultry with our top-notch service. Enjoy specialty cocktails ranging from the cucumber martini to the liquid passion, served up by Stack's eye-catching staff. It actually says eye-catching staff, who invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. Through its fun and innovative interpretations on classic American cuisine, Stack promises a one-of-a-kind dining experience you'll never forget. Of course, with a modern twist. This is Costa. Costa is a casual reprieve where guests enjoy a variety of wood-fired pizzas, handmade pastas, lasagna, chicken parmesan, and more. The wine selection reflects the southern coast of Italy and celebrates vines from the region. Costa's vibrant design includes bright colors and rustic touches reminiscent of a picturesque village clung to the Italian coastline. This is The Still, a Las Vegas sports bar located in the heart of the iconic Mirage. It's the ultimate man cave with a dedication to craft beer, cocktails, and mouth-watering food. A sports junkie haven, The Still features 27 TVs and a comfortable 8,000 square foot environment perfect for cheering on your favorite team. Lovey! Bring Biff and Buffy with you. This is where our kind gamble. Oh, Thurston, don't you remember we gave Biff and Buffy the American Express their shopping at the Crystals today? This is the Pantry. Enjoy mouth-watering sandwiches made with the freshest ingredients, or dive into pancakes piled high with your favorite toppings. Don't worry, breakfast is available any time of the day. Those subway tiles on the wall are making me feel a little homesick. These are the elevators to the rooms, and by the way, there is a room tour here of mine on the New York channel here at the Mirage. Check it out. Alrighty, let's do some shopping, shall we? Let's check out the shops here at the Mirage. Hey, wait a minute! I got a freaking key, I'm staying here! Let's check this pool out! Wait! Freeze frame! There's my handsome manly legs with one of my many pairs of walking shoes. Alrighty, we're back inside. We're heading through the casino. We're gonna go out the front doors and check out the beautiful waterfalls that the Mirage Hotel and Casino have here on the Las Vegas Strip. And I don't know if it's me or not, but it seems like the Mirage has one of the longest frontages on this strip I've ever seen. It seems like it takes forever to get from the TI to Caesar's Palace because it just seems like you're walking and walking and walking in front of the Mirage. Hey! He said longest frontage! It truly is like an oasis here in front of the Mirage, and I guess that's a suitable name for this place because it really is like a mirage in the middle of the desert. At night they have the famous volcano shows here, and if you're interested in seeing what that looks like, there's a video here on the channel. Check it out. And of course, the Mirage was home to Siegfried and Roy, whose show was one of the most successful and most popular shows here on the Las Vegas Strip. This area here in front of the Mirage is called Siegfried and Roy Plaza. So that's it. What'd you think of the Mirage? Have you ever stayed here? Leave a comment below.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe.
And as I said in other videos, the Mirage was home to Frigseed and Royce. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.